If you've tried keto, tried low carb, and the scale still won't move, this video might explain everything. Because when it comes to insulin resistance, the wrong approach can keep you stuck for years. Most people think keto and low carb are basically the same thing. They're not. And if you're insulin resistant, choosing the wrong one can slow fat loss, spike cravings, and leave you feeling defeated. Insulin resistance means your cells stop listening to insulin, sugar stays trapped in your blood, fat storage stays turned on, and your body struggles to burn fuel, even when you eat healthy. Keto works by keeping insulin extremely low. When carbs drop, insulin drops, and your body finally unlocks fat burning. For many people with insulin resistance, this feels like flipping a switch. Low carb can work, but only if carbs stay low enough. For insulin-resistant bodies, even healthy carbs can spike insulin just enough to stall progress. If you're insulin resistant, keto is usually the fastest way to heal metabolism. Low carb works better after insulin sensitivity improves. Think of keto as the reset, low carb as maintenance. Most people fail keto because of hidden carbs, sweeteners, stress, poor sleep, and electrolyte mistakes. Not because keto doesn't work. If you want to fix insulin resistance for good, not just lose weight temporarily, start with the right strategy. I break this down step by step on my blog, lolarecommends.com. The link is in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly keto and metabolic tips. See you in the next video.